In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Bitget Help Center. So in case you were trying to contact Bitget agents to help you with your issues with their app or their website, here's how you can do it. First, you want to go to bitget.com, which is their official website, and then once you open up the website, over here, this is the home screen. Anywhere on any screen over here, once you're logged in, okay, so firstly log in, you will be able to, down here in the very bottom right, see this headphones emoji. What you want to do is click on it, and then you will have to basically start a new chat. What you want to do is scroll down and click over here where it says online customer service. Click this, and then you will enter a chat with their chatbot. So it's gonna tell you, hi there, and then the username, welcome to Bitget live chat support, we're happy to assist you, would you like to continue chatting in the current language? You first want to click continue with current language, or you can of course change the language if you want to, and then once you do that, over here, when it says to please choose one of the common topics below, you want to click ask something else, and then when it says how can I help you, you want to type in I want to talk to a real person, and then you press enter, and then he'll give you another prompt. Over here it will say no worries, our customer support agent is ready to help. So it says how many people there are, and that means you have to wait a little bit of time, and then you'll be able to talk with their live agent and you'll get help from their help center. Now in case this bot asks you, like it did over here when I asked earlier, I asked if I can talk to a real person. They said before connecting to a live chat agent, is there a specific question or concern you would like me to assist you with? And yet again, you just want to type in, I'd like to talk to a live chat agent or to a real person, and then it will say no worries, our customer support agent is ready to help you, and then you'll get a chance to simply wait in line to get a real person to talk to. So that's pretty much it. That's how to contact Bitget Help Center, the easiest and the fastest way. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.